Assalamualaikum and welcome again sa Summer TV. So ngayon ay gagawa tayo ng account sa CIMB Bank or Simbank PH. So install lang natin sa ating cellphone. Okay, so install natin dito sa ating Google Play Store. Okay, so ayan, so as you can see naka-install na siya guys. So ngayon pupunta tayo dito. So i-open lang natin. Okay, so ayan. Okay, so dito tayo sa open an account since wala pa tayong account. Okay, so may tatlong options guys. So pipili na lang tayo dito. So ayan, merong personal loan, Pass Plus account, App Save account, okay? So nandyan naman yung mga features niya guys. Okay, so let's say dito tayo sa Pass Plus account. Okay. So check lang natin ito. Then agree lang tayo. So ngayon, ito yung kailangan natin i-provide. Meron tayong valid IDs. Okay, so ayan. Ito yung mga valid IDs na pwede natin gamitin para makapag-register tayo. Okay, so ito yung eligibility. So, let's start. Okay. So, confirm lang natin. So, ilalagay natin dito yung phone number natin guys, yung active. Ayan. And then yung email address natin. Ayan. Then continue lang. Okay, so wait natin yung OTP. Okay, so ayun na, generated na siya. So gagawa tayo ngayon ng username guys. Ayan. Okay. So, continue. So, password. Okay, so ayan. Nalagay na natin yung password, guys. So, re-enter natin dito. Okay, so ayan. Then, continue lang. So, yung password natin. So, ulitin natin, guys. Okay, so ayan. Then continue. Okay, so ayan, enable natin itong biometrics. Okay, so enable natin. Ayan. Okay, so gagawa tayo ngayon ng PIN. Okay, so ayan. So, i-re-enter natin yung PIN na nagawa natin kanina. Okay, so ayan. So, ngayon, purpose of account opening. So, savings. So, yung average monthly income natin. Okay, so, ayan. Okay. Then, continue. So, ngayon, pipicturean natin yung ID natin, guys. Okay, so ito yung mga list ng ID na pwede natin gamitin. So, let's say driver license. Okay, so ayan. Then, continue lang. Okay. So, ayan. Uploading your documents. So, ayan. Upload successful. Okay, so verification in progress. This can take around 3 to 5 minutes. Once we are done, you will receive a notification to come back and finish the application. Okay? So, wait lang natin guys. Okay, so ayan. You have passed, so pwede na tayo mag-continue guys. Ayan, you have successfully set your CIMB PIN January. Ayan. Okay, so wait lang natin. Okay, so ayan na-generate na yung ating information. So, ilagay lang natin yung ibang information natin. Yung mother's maiden name. Ayan. Okay, so ngayon punta tayo dito sa baba. Hindi, yung city of birth natin. So, hanapin natin dito. Okay, so ayan. Yun yung ID number natin, guys. So, nakalagay na dyan. Then, continue lang. Okay, so ayan. Optional yung ibang data dito. So, yung walang option na ilalagay lang natin. Ayan. Okay. So, barangay. Ayan, then continue. Civil status. So, pwede employed, self-employed, student, unemployed. Okay, so let's say dito muna tayo sa unemployed. Okay. So, source of funds. So, nandyan lahat. Continue lang. Okay, so ayan. Congratulations. You can now enjoy your Fast Plus account. So, ayan, meron na tayong account, guys. So, nakagawa na tayo. So, check natin dito yung dashboard natin. And then, pwede din tayo makakuha ng virtual card. Okay. So, dashboard muna tayo. Okay. So, ito na yung account natin, guys. So, pwede na tayo mag-cash in. And then, mag-transfer ng pera. Okay. So, para siyang e-wallet, guys. Okay, so meron tayong card dito. Pwede tayo mag-request ng card. Ayan. So, dito lang tayo magre-request ng card, guys. Merong physical card and virtual card. Okay. So, ayan. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple, guys. So, again, sana makatulong ito sa inyo. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Hammer TV for the latest videos na aking upload. Sukran and wassalam.